DIY heart-shaped box. It'll be sealed though. You can make this out of anything. I'm just using cardboard because it's cheap. I've got tons. So initially, printed off a heart that would fit, that the CD case could fit in. Trace both my sides out. These side panels will come in handy. Perfect. Got two heart pieces. Take out the strips ahead. Take out these end flaps because they're already flimsy. I've got duct tape. Just rip off little pieces. We just need one more for the back. The first one was a lot better, but had some Bondo. I thought, hey, if this stuff's for metal and it's a body filler, it's gotta be pretty good buried. So if you got a glob this big, a little bit. Mix only small amounts because it's will harden really fast. And then I applied it to the top layer where the tape wasn't. There's more tape on the bottom, so you're gonna need to do a second coat. It'll cure in 20 to 30 minutes. Peeling your tape back, making sure it's not falling apart. Get your next coat going. And it took me about 3 coats, and originally I wasn't taking out my tape. The product I'm going to show you didn't look fancy. Then after the 3rd coat, I sanded it down, added an auto body primer. Still felt very small scratches. I applied Barcelona red paint, or otherwise known as Serenity red, to the heart-shaped box. I applied a heavy coat and it made it shine, and I thought it was beautiful. If you're done, you got yourself a heart-shaped box. Maybe you're giving someone your heart, or you want to bury something, or maybe you use it as a time capsule, like the first thing you and your girlfriend purchased together or something. I don't know, as long as it wasn't a couch. Thanks for joining PopSkadins on a DIY from scrap. As always, stay awesome.